Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Giant Queen Anime Vanguard step by step. First, confirm the exact print and art variant you want, then set a firm budget and condition target. Use official set lists, community guides, and auction filters to narrow options. Track market prices and watch listings for underpriced copies. Be patient, check seller reputations, and consider trade offers or graded copies to secure the best outcome. Search high-trust marketplaces first, using filters for condition, price, and version. Set saved searches and alerts for new listings and auctions, then watch for low start prices that end at odd hours. Participate in community groups and Discord channels where collectors post early leads or trade opportunities. Always confirm seller ratings and return policies, and be ready to act quickly when a well-priced Giant Queen appears. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading rulebooks, digital checklists, and hobby articles while you wait for auctions to end, and it fits easily in a deck box or bag. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more picks I can share favorites later. Now let's get back to the video. When buying, compare recent completed sales to establish fair market value and avoid impulse overpays. Request clear photos under good light and ask specific questions about edge wear, centering, or restoration. Factor shipping, taxes, and possible grading costs into your total budget. For a secure purchase, prefer sellers with strong feedback, offer tracked shipping, and consider graded examples if you want guaranteed condition and resale confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.